Hey there, I'm in Nashville where a total eclipse is about to happen. You're going to see everything go dark here in just a second. I don't have to wear these sunglasses because the amount of light is so low right now, but check this out. Everything's going to go dark as we go to a total eclipse. Check it out. So I'm on my way back to my other camera where I've been for the last hour shooting pictures through a filter of the solar eclipse as the moon slowly covers up the sun. And in a minute, I'm going to remove the filter to show you what the eclipse looks like, and I'll put that video on an inset in the lower right-hand corner. What you're noticing right now, or what I was noticing, is that the temperature is actually dropping. Before the eclipse, it was about 91 degrees and humid, and the temperature has dropped probably 7-8 degrees by now, and it's starting to feel very comfortable. The other thing is that the amount of light is decreasing rapidly, and I almost don't even need sunglasses. It seems like I have sunglasses on, even though I'm not wearing them at this time. It's still not appropriate or safe to use or to look at the sun right now without eclipse glasses because of the brightness of the sun. And so I'm observing it through the viewfinder, or actually through the screen on my other camera. So that's pretty safe. But you'll start to see it get dark here because it's almost. Okay, there's my inset, and you'll see that it's still too bright to not wear the glasses. I'm actually walking over to get the flashlight. I went ahead and turned the lights on in the house because I knew it was going to get dark. Normally those lights wouldn't be on. You can see the moon is just about to cover up the sun, and you can see in the picture how dark it's starting to get. This is really looking spectacular. Again, until that sun goes all the way behind the moon, you can't look at it without glasses. So right about now you can look up. You don't need the glasses. It's just a spectacular sight. You're seeing it right there the way I was seeing it through my camera in the video. The temperature also has dropped to now where it feels like it's in the upper 70s. So from 91 down to the upper 70s is very, very comfortable. Now you'll notice it isn't pitch black dark either. If you look behind the houses, it's kind of a dark blue sky. Well, what it looks like, if you look around the horizon, looks like you're very late in a sunset. And so all around 360 degrees you have this sunset view, but if you look straight up, the sky is dark. In fact, you can't see it in the video, but off to the right, just slightly off to the right, you can see the planet Mars, and a little bit farther to the right, you could see the planet Venus, and it was very bright in the sky. I can also see a good number of stars. Now, being that we're in a major city, it's hard to see stars anyway, but you could see stars out, and just a remarkable view. Now, that white area around the moon there you can see is the corona from the sun, and that's not dangerous to look at. In fact, it's spectacular. Now, the reason it's shaking around right now is because I'm trying to adjust the aperture to get the right exposure. It was hard to do, but I finally decided on that one. And again, very cool. Well, not only cool, cool solar eclipse, but also cool temperature wise. It's just an amazing thing to see, and it's just totally amazing, and everybody around was enjoying it. Now, the total time under total eclipse, and you could time it here on the video, was probably about 1.5 minutes, and you'll see shortly that the sun will start to peek out in the lower right-hand corner of the moon there, and at that point you have to put your eclipse glasses back on. Right now, you should put them back on, and you'll notice in the full view you'll see it starting to get bright again. So that was a really, really short total, but spectacular. And you'll start to see here I'm reaching down to get the filter to put back on my camera so that I can take some more pictures. And you'll see how bright it is out there. Just an amazing thing, just absolutely amazing. If you had a chance to be in the line of the total eclipse, then you saw something absolutely amazing. I mean, like nothing else I've ever seen before. And so this is from Nashville, Tennessee, August 21st, 2017. Just an amazing, amazing event.